Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming requirements. You need a level 30 or higher character and the Ember Seeker tool repaired. Once done, farm 5 Fey shards and obtain 1 Twilight Catalyst to stabilize the Ember. Make sure your respawn point sits just outside the Glimmering Hollow so you can retry fast. Move into the Hollow at dusk when spawn timers align. The game uses a cyclical spawn mechanic, so timing improves chances and reduces wasted runs. You proceed down the mushroom-lit path and follow luminescent caps toward Ember nodes. This visual cue reduces search time. When you encounter the Hollow Warden, decide quickly. Fight if you have stamina and buffs, or evade to conserve resources. Defeating it opens the Ember Chamber but costs supplies. Once at the node, apply your Twilight Catalyst directly. It reacts and unveils the Ember Core. This reaction is the key mechanic that converts shards into a You now interact with the revealed Ember Core and spend your 5 Fey shards to bind it. The system sometimes desyncs. If the interaction fails, relog or wait 30 seconds and attempt again. This clears client-server state. After a successful bind, carry the Ember to the nearest Ember altar and complete the attunement ritual so it becomes permanent in your inventory. Once attuned, check your inventory and assign it to your hotbar. That completes the acquisition and makes future upgrades available.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.